All right, doing this problem called climbing stairs. You're climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? For n equals to 2, there are two ways to climb to the top. One step, okay, fine, and all of this, right? Now let's look at, so essentially you can either take one step or two steps. Let's go to a whiteboard. And so the problem we are solving is climbing stairs, and at any point you can either take one step or you can take two steps. So essentially I'm trying to find a number of ways. So number of ways to reach n is as simple as, hey, if you can reach n minus 1, then that's one. From there make one jump, or if you can reach n minus 2, then from there you take two jumps, right? And that's the thing. So ways of n equals to ways of n minus 1 plus ways of n minus 2. Can we just build on that and solve for it? Now let's also fix the base condition. So number of ways to climb 0 steps is 1. Number of ways to climb one step is 1, and then number of ways to climb two steps is just, okay, 1 plus 1, right? So you know this already. So I just need this previous, previous, and previous, and this is then done. So let's come to the code. So for any guy, I need the last two, right? So first I need a previous, which I can again define as 1, and I can also define as a previous, or rather I just need two, right? So I need a previous, and I need a current, and the current's value is also 1. Now I'm solving for, obviously, if base condition also let's solve, which is if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, you return 1. And for everything else, we are running this loop. I equals to 2, I is less than equals to n, I plus plus. And my thing is, so current equals to current plus previous. Now how do we, and I have now current, I also want to update my previous, and the previous is now going to be current. So I can do like a temp equals to uh, current equals to current previous, and then previous equals to that, right? That does it. And then at the end I want to return current. Okay, let's run code. Okay, submit. And it works. Now just this is like a very common problem, and I think this exact pattern of like f of n equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 is essentially the Fibonacci series, right? So Fibonacci series, you have 1 1, and then every next guy is the sum of 2. So 1 plus 1 2, and then 2 plus 1 3, and then 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. This is actually the Fibonacci series. So this problem is just mimicking or just a different way of representing that Fibonacci series. All right.